Hi there, Marli here from SBA today. Continuing on from last week, let's talk about our world-class teams here at SBA. How much time do you spend every month crunching numbers, dreading bookkeeping and accounting work for your business? Do you have in-house accountants? Do you have visibility on your monthly results and cash flow in a timely manner? Whilst accounting is a critical function in any business, it is time-consuming and, for lack of a better term, taxing. So often not at the top of anyone's list of popular tasks. If you're doing it yourself, is it even the best use of your time? Are there other aspects of your business you should be focusing on? Be it invoice processing, transaction processing, bank reconciliation, billing, management accounts preparation, SBA has you covered. Team SBA assists a range of businesses, small, medium and large, and across industries with a variety of accounting support tasks. Tasks range from the most simple transaction processing through to the very complex, such as statutory accounts preparation for our accounting firm clients. Team SBA is also a specialist in accounting support for law firms. We assist law firm accounts departments with month-end processes including drafts and final bills, archiving, reconciliation, and processes relating to trust accounting. SBA is a registered BAS agent, and our group entity, STA, is a tax agent and a registered trust auditor for law firms. Our teams in India and Melbourne can assist with end-to-end accounting support functions. Whether you are a sole proprietor, large corporate, a law firm or an accounting firm, SBA can customize an accounting support solution to complement your in-house team. SBA offers competitively priced accounting support packages that can be customized to suit your organization's specific requirements. Contact us to explore how SBA can complement and optimize your in-house accounting functions. Catch next week's cast, where I'll continue introducing our teams who can give your business that competitive edge. Also, don't forget to check out last week's, where I talk about our marketing team and how our intuitive brand concepts can define your corporate voice and develop a marketing plan tailored for your firm or business. Until next time, I'm Marli. Thanks for listening.